In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mesh gradients in Figma. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, typing Figma, and opening the official site. Sign in so you can access your files. Once you're in, go to the Design area. This is where you'll open or create the file we'll use for the gradient. Inside your file, choose the Frame tool. You can press F as a shortcut, then pick a preset size or drag out a custom frame to act as your canvas. A larger frame gives you more room for smooth blends later, so pick a size that fits where you plan to use the result. Next, add any shape. Circles, rounded rectangles, or simple blobs work great. Draw several shapes across the frame. Take your time here. Vary their sizes, rotate a few, and overlap edges slightly so transitions feel natural. You can duplicate shapes quickly by holding Option or Alt while dragging. Small variations help avoid a repetitive look. Make sure you fill all the white spaces across the frame. Expand or duplicate shapes until the canvas is fully covered, reaching all the way to the edges. It's fine if shapes extend slightly past the frame. This helps avoid hard lines and ensures the blur blends seamlessly. Now change the color of each shape. Select them one by one and pick distinct hues. Aim for a balanced palette. Mix warm and cool tones, keep saturation fairly high, and avoid too many very dark or muddy colors. If two neighboring colors clash, nudge one toward a nearby hue so the transition feels smoother. You can tap I to use the eyedropper and sample colors from a reference or your brand palette. With your colorful base ready, look to the right-hand panel and open Effects. This is where we'll create the blend. Choose Layer Blur, which blurs the shapes themselves rather than the background behind them. Then open the effect setting so you can control the intensity. Increase the blur to 150. As you raise the value, edges melt into each other, and the composition becomes a soft mesh gradient. If the blend feels noisy, slightly resize or reposition a few shapes. If it feels flat, tweak one shape's color to add subtle contrast. Small adjustments go a long way when blur is applied. Keep an eye on performance. Large blurs can be GPU heavy, so zoom out or pause for a second if the preview lags. And that's it. You opened Figma, set up a frame, covered it with colored shapes, and used layer blur at 150 to produce a smooth mesh gradient that's perfect for backgrounds, hero sections, and presentations.